Hey guys, before we get into the video, I just wanted to quickly bring attention to my new Twitch page that I have started, which I'll have linked down below, Big Money GTV, that's my gaming nickname there. I recently just started this up since I now have a gaming / streaming PC, and since I'm now living in the city and at school I don't really have enough time to go out and fly, so I have been streaming my gameplay. So if you guys want to help support the channel, I'd really appreciate if you went over there and followed, and feel free to ask any quad related questions. And yeah, hope to see you there so we can hang out. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, so today we're back with the 3-inch Octocopter, and we're going to be flying at FPV today. So if you didn't see my previous video that I posted a couple days ago flying this line of sight, I'll link that down below, and today we're going to be flying it through the goggles. So once again, this is a 3-inch Octocopter. You can see this madness here. This was built by Octocopter FPV. Links to all of his pages down below. Thank you again for letting me try this out. And this is the same machine that RCAddict did a video on a few months ago. Just real quick breaking down everything of the parts. The frame is his own custom design. You can see it's sort of two flipped plates, one on the bottom, one on the top. Very, very cool. The motors are iFlight Tachyon 1408 4100 kV using some Lumineer 3040 tri-blades, 3-inch tri-blades. The camera is a Runcam Micro Eagle, a generic Matex VTX in there. I'm not sure. It's an SP Racing flight controller because it's one of the very few that accepts 8 motor inputs. And it's running 2 dual 4-in-1 ESCs, as you can see there. And then for the battery, we have a Tattoo R-Line 4S 1550. So this guy weighs about 520 grams all up weight, so it's definitely pretty chunky. So let's go right ahead and see how it flies. All right, so here we go. Gotta get a little bit away. It's so loud before you guys can hear me. Just right off the bat, gotta point out how nice that Micro Eagle looks. Definitely is a very good looking camera. I am flying this on the 1500 4S, so it's pretty heavy. I can definitely feel the weight. I'm having to hold a lot higher throttle than with the lighter batteries or my 5-inch quads. But you know, it's still not flying too bad. Definitely getting some battery sag. It's a little cold out right now. But I'm pushing on it pretty good. And remember, these are just 3-inch props, so... Whoa! Oh my goodness. How that recover. Alright, well, it seems like it's okay, so... Definitely not the greatest hang time, since it has that, high minimum throttle value. Just move it around inside in the trees here, since it definitely likes to be turning a little bit. Since there's so much yaw authority, you can just turn right around. It's only 3-inch, so you can't open it up too much like you can with a 5-inch. Yeah, no troubles moving around in the inside of the trees here. Flies very nice, controllable. Just got to be careful of that bottoming out since it is so heavy. Yeah, it still definitely packs some power for as how heavy it is. Been flying for over 2 minutes, almost 3 now. Battery is definitely getting down there. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it in. Alright, so here we are back after that flight there. I got pretty lucky with that tumble that it recovered. I was really not looking forward to smashing this thing into a tree. But overall, it flies pretty good. Definitely handles cornering and turning a lot better. But once you get out into a wide open straight and you really punch it, you definitely can feel the weight, especially when you're descending, trying to recover from a fall. So I think it definitely still is overweight for its size, which is why the 5 or 6-inch Octo that he is making, I think, will be really, really interesting, because weight won't be nearly as much of a factor, since, you know, 3-inch props they're just so small. There's only so much weight they can take. And to get a long enough flight time pushing it, you do need to run a heavier battery like this. So I'm really excited to see what comes of his 6-inch version. So yeah, that was just a quick little video testing this guy out. Had a lot of fun with it. Thanks again to Vincent for sending it out to test. Links for all of his pages in the description. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.